As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q2800N Plus, both propane grills. First impressions?
Well, right off the bat, the Weber is significantly pricier, almost 3 times the cost of the Char-Broil. Is it worth it?
That's the big question. The Char-Broil is super budget-friendly, around $139. It's got a smaller cooking area, 280 square inches, and 20,000 BTUs across 2 burners. It also has a side burner, which is handy.
The Weber Q boasts a wider temperature range, 250 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and a plus burner for searing or low and slow cooking. It also says its cooking area fits 12 burgers or 2 racks of ribs. Does it say the exact square inches?
Doesn't specify the exact square inches, but it can fit 12 burgers, same as the Char-Broil, which only has 280 square inches. So the Weber is more efficient. Also, the Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates.
Okay, so the Weber's got better heat retention with those grates. The Char-Broil uses porcelain-coated wire grates, big difference in terms of durability and how evenly it cooks.
True. The Char-Broil is lighter, 37.5 pounds, compared to the Weber's 51.2 pounds. Dimensions are larger on the Char-Broil at 24.1 dx 45.6 inches wx 43.5 inches h, compared to the Weber's 19.7 dx 30 wx 16.7 inches h. The Char-Broil is bigger but lighter, which is weird.
The Weber includes a built-in mounting for Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub probes, so you can monitor the grill remotely. The Char-Broil has nothing like that.
Good point. The Weber is definitely leaning into the tech side. But the Char-Broil has a side shelf and its gear tracks ready, so you can add accessories.
I see. The Weber's side tables detach for storage, which is a nice space-saving feature. Plus, that high dome lid lets you cook bigger stuff.
Right. The Weber also has a front-facing grease tray. Sounds super convenient for cleaning.
Okay, so the Weber definitely seems like a higher-end grill, with more features and better materials. But is that worth almost 3 times the price? For someone on a budget, the Char-Broil is a solid option. If you want something that will last and has more features, the Weber is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.